So are you a real estate agent and you have been hearing about how important it is to be on YouTube and how you can really build and scale your business? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you some really easy and quick ways to make your thumbnail for your YouTube videos using Canva, and we're going to hop into it right now. Hey there, Mariah K here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm an active and licensed real estate agent in both California and Utah, and I absolutely love helping real estate agents just like you build and scale their business the modern way by leveraging the power of social media. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below and make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week I drop a new video. If you are looking to grow and scale your business, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it would be my pleasure to connect with you. Let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen with you so I can walk you through how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and it'll be very quick and very easy. Hey there. So today I wanted to share with you how to make thumbnails using Canva for your YouTube videos. Yes, this is quick and easy, so super excited to share this with you. First off, I wanted to share with you how on Canva, if you type in YouTube thumbnails, it will come up with tons of different templates that are already ready to go. And literally you just click on it, edit the picture, edit the text, and whatnot. If you want to, though, you can create your own blank one. They have your own blank that you can do. If you wanted to customize your own as well, you can go up here to create design. And then if you click, the width is 1280 by 720. So if you are wanting to do that and you don't want to go to the thumbnail templates, you can also do that. So I wanted to show you that there are a lot of templates already created, but I also wanted to share with you what I've got on mine as well. So I'm actually going to just delete this here and start fresh. I've got a couple of different templates down below that I have used. This first one, as a real estate agent, I love touring homes, and I love touring. Here in Utah, we have what are called the parade of homes or showcase of homes. And basically it's builders, architects, designers that are showing their, houses that they have built, and we're able to go through a tour of them. So I tour them every year, and then I create a YouTube video on that. This is the thumbnail that I have for one of those videos. And then I also have another channel called Living in Salt Lake City, Utah. And for that channel, I create thumbnails that look like this. This thumbnail actually this video ended up going viral, and it makes me laugh because this thumbnail, I was thinking like, oh, okay, that was really pretty easy to create, but that video got thousands and thousands and thousands of views. And so I'm going to show you how to create this very easily. So I'm going to just start with our blank slate here. And one of the things I really like to do is I go over here to photos. Whatever city, state you're in, if you type it in right over here on the search bar, I just typed in Park City and it came up with all sorts of, really all sorts of photos of Park City. But what I can do is I can click on one, and I'm going to show you basically how I created this down below here. And for this, I, click on the photo. If I want to switch that out, I can delete that. If I want this, I can, take that one. I do want something that I'm going to just go with the same one that I had below here so I can show you. But if I right click it, I can set image as background. So it'll, make the whole image throughout there. And then one of the things that I have done in the past is you can see all these pictures, these selfies of myself that's over here. And when you create if you take a bunch of pictures, like these ones are just done right here in my office. And the greatest thing about this is I can remove the background on here very, very easily. So because this picture is showing more of wintertime, I'm going to have a picture that shows more of the winter. So I want to remove that background. So I'm going to go up here to edit image. I'm going to click on BG Remover. BG Remover is the background remover. As you can see, that is quick and easy. I'm going to make that picture a little bit larger. and I'm going to center it. I'm going to go ahead and apply. Once I am done with that, I can go ahead and the next thing I want to do, I am going to do a face touch-up. This just kind of makes everything look smooth and clear and clean, and I can apply that as well. And once I've done that, I'm going to go over here to text. On my text option, I'm going to add a subheading. On the subheading, I'm going to title it Park City. And the font that I really like to use for a lot of my thumbnails is Anton, A-N-T-O-N. And I'm going to make that really big. I'm going to keep it on the page so I can pull it down here. And make it a little bit bigger. And then I am going to go ahead and change the color. Instead of black, I'm going to change it to white. And then I want this to go, I want to position it to the background, to backward. So I position that so I'm in front. So I can make myself, if I want, bigger, smaller, whatever on there. I can move myself to the right. I can move myself to the left, wherever you want for that. And one thing I like to do also to make that text kind of pop out a little bit more is a lot of times I like adding a background to it. So if I go up here, if you go up here to elements, you can click on the square, and that square you can change the colors. You can make it larger, shorter. I'm going to change it to the color of my jacket, and I can move it over here, and I can crop that and scale it so that it goes behind there. And again, I'm going to position that backward as well. So I can continue adding as much text as I want. I can move, again, I can move these things around. That background too, if I want to make it a little less vibrant, I can change, the transparency of that. Okay. So that's basically how you make a thumbnail. And then if you want to download it, go simply up here to share and hit download. Once you click on download, it says to select pages. Because I have multiple thumbnails on there, I only want to download this current one. So I'm going to just say the current page, and then I click done. And that is how you create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully this tutorial on how to make your YouTube thumbnails using Canva was easy. It should be quick and easy. Again, Canva offers a ton of free templates. If you're wanting to upgrade with, some of those different features, you can upgrade to the Canva Pro. I've got the link that, that I have used. You can get a 30-day free trial down in the description. And again, if you are looking to build and scale your business this modern way by leveraging the power of social media, I have partnered with agents all over the country, and I'm always looking for like-minded partners. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it'd be my pleasure to connect with you. Take care and have a great one. Bye.